My YouTube channel recently got approved for the YouTube Partner Program, and I want to show you my YouTube content strategy behind the scenes of how it works. This is a very unique strategy, and it has nothing to do with the YouTube algorithm. It has nothing to do with my competitors. It has nothing to do with keyword research, almost nothing to do with keyword research. And it's a very unique strategy that actually makes it possible for you to get paid for your YouTube content before you even create it, and also getting paid to create content, which creates an effect of being found by more people to then pay you for your content. And I want to show you this strategy and show you behind the scenes. So if that's something that's interesting to you, stick around and I'll show you from A to Z how that process works. So a little bit of backstory. I have a tech support membership where I basically have given people access to tap into my knowledge and expertise and support with their tech struggles. This is specifically applicable to people who are course creators, service providers, freelancers, coaches, membership site owners, and aspiring entrepreneurs who want to build a business online. Now, what I've done is I've basically told them, pay a small monthly fee to me, and when you are stuck with your tech, then you send me an email and I will give you an under 24-hour response to help you solve whatever issue you're come across, so you can get this resolved as soon as possible instead of wasting time Googling things, YouTubing things, asking people in Facebook groups. You can have somebody that you can trust and count on to get quick support and get things solved. So I've launched this membership back in April 2020, I believe it was, and I've had over 100 people pay for this membership, and they paid a small monthly fee at different price points. What happened from that process is that I started receiving questions on a daily basis. And the solution that I've come up to actually answer these questions is I would actually answer the question in a video format. So I want to show you an example behind the scene what that looks like. So here's a question that I received from one of my members, and she said, is there any way I can get my emails landing in the main inbox instead of promotion? This is a great question. So what I did is I then wrote a short script, and basically I summarized my answer into 4 specific actionable steps that she can do right away. Now, once I've written the script, I don't email to her right away. What I do is I use that script to record a video, just like I'm doing right now, to give those 4 answers. Now, instead of answering and saying, hey Bill, hey Joe, thanks for your question, I record it in a fashion that is evergreen, meaning it is designed so anybody can watch it and get value. And the video basically starts with something that is generic based on that question. And then I also give some sort of context that I received this question from somebody in my tech support membership. So I raise awareness that I have a tech support membership. And then I break down the answer based on that question. Now, I will share this video in the description or in the end screen or the cards around here. And I record this video. Now you'll notice this is an 8 minutes video. And then once I record the video, I do a little keyword research to figure out a good title that makes sense in the context of this content. So I don't do the keyword research for the video, I do it after to try and get better exposure. So there's a little bit of keyword research here. Then what I do is I have a project management tool that I use to organize my content, and I send it to my video editor, which I'll show you how I do that in a moment. But before I do that, the first thing I do is I copy this link, and then I go back to the email to my member and I say I recorded the video to answer, and then I email it to her right away, which is a great way to build trust, serve her with really good content that's targeted and helpful to what she's asking for specifically. Now, before I send it, what I do is I want to save this script because I've just created it. I don't want to waste it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to go to my project management tool, which is called Blue, right here. I'm going to go to my video production, which is FAQ videos and support. And then I click on the plus button right here to create a new task. You see here videos to edit. Now I'm going to go to the Loom. I'm going to click on the title, go back to Blue, click on the plus, enter the name of the video, and then I'm going to click to the task. I'm going to grab the link again. I'm going to paste the link video here. I'm going to label it as YouTube video so my video editor knows it's a YouTube video. I'm going to assign it to the correct video editor. And then I want to also save the text of the script that I used for the video. And then I can go back to the email, cut this script because it's not needed for my member, paste it here, and that's it. Now it gets assigned to my virtual assistant who will now edit it. Once she submits it and edits the video, she submits it to Eran to review. Once I approve it, it goes to YouTube upload. And then my YouTube channel manager is going to upload all the content with the thumbnail and do the SEO and all that stuff. Now I send this email right now and give her the answer. Now, I've been doing this particular content strategy for probably over a year now, close to 2 years. And I have recorded just in 2022, 150 videos approximately using this particular strategy. So it's a lot of videos. Some of my videos don't get a lot of views, and I'm okay with it because the content was not created just to reach and go viral or anything like that. It was created specifically for people in my tech support membership. So if I get one view, I'm happy because it's that one person that actually asked a question. Now, what happens is that content then becomes evergreen because if one person asks that question, chances are more people are going to ask that question. Now, because I've been doing this strategy for a long time, I have also ended up with a library of a lot of FAQs. So if you go to faq.eranbucai.com, you will see a lot of the questions that have been asked. For example, somebody asked me at some point, how do I sign up for the Amazon affiliate program? And of course, based on that video, I recorded a tutorial to explain how to do that with a bit of details. I also had other questions. For example, how to import and upload contact to Newsendler. Again, this has a lot of detailed steps and a video as well. So all this content ends up creating a lot of traffic and searchable content on the internet, whether it's blogs or YouTube and so on and so forth, which in turn results in more traffic to me and my websites and things along these lines. Because I support specific tools, I ended up creating playlists based on the content I'm receiving. For example, Searchy is a common platform that I've received questions on, so I have a playlist on Searchy. The most common platform that I support is called System.io, and you can see I have a massive library of tutorials all to do with sys.io. Now, by having so much content, I'm dominating various keywords to do with this particular software, which also results in me earning affiliate commissions. Here's an example where somebody said, I found you on YouTube via searching System.io tutorials. Here's another one. Hi, Eran, I found you via your YouTube videos about System.io. I can give you examples after examples of people's comments on my YouTube videos. Thanks so much. This is really helpful. And also asking me if I have an affiliate link for Newsendler or an affiliate link for System, and basically me making money from affiliate commissions because I created this content on these specific tools. So while it might not give me a tremendous amount of views, it doesn't go viral, my content is very non-viral content and so on, but my channel is making me money, which is really the whole point of having an online business. Now, the content that people find me with, again, to repeat, it is not content that I create for free because I feel like. These are questions that people have legitimately asked. They have, number one, paid me a monthly subscription to be able to ask me a question. I then record the video to answer that question. So I already got paid for creating the content. And then the content continues to get found by other people who then want to pay me for my products and service in addition to the fact that I already got paid to create the content. By that strategy and that content strategy, I essentially don't create any free content because even though I'm creating free content for other people, someone has already paid for it. And this is why I love launching membership. I love that expert style membership where you are letting people tap into your mind, pick your brain for your knowledge and expertise. And by doing that, and even though maybe your membership fee is cheap, the reality is you're getting paid. It gives you cash flow for your business to then create digital assets such as YouTube videos or Instagram posts or whatever that you can share on social media where more people are able to find you. This is also called a flywheel. So a flywheel business model basically creates a certain circular motion that basically lets you create content and then you get found, you get paid, you create more content, you get found, you get paid, and it just continues like that. And that's how, over the last 2 to 3 years, I've been building my YouTube channel. Again, it doesn't mean that I have a big channel compared to others. I actually have a relatively small channel. Even though I'm in the partner program, it's still a very small channel by comparison. But every single action that I've done to create that channel has been done based on having been paid first. And that's really the key here. So hopefully you found this video helpful and inspirational and gave you some ideas of how you might be able to implement that in your business. I will leave a bunch of links below in the description for you to check out, some for the cards as well, so you can kind of see my tech support membership and my templates membership and things along these lines that might be helpful and inspiring for you to learn how to do something similar in your business. If you got value from this video, please leave the comment with the word value, so I know you got value from this video. And if you want to connect with me further to learn more about how I can assist you with your business, just leave a comment with any question or query and I'll be sure to answer you. I do answer a lot of comments myself personally, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot. I'll speak to you soon.